Today I'm making caramel pecan banana bread with this super delicious caramel toffee sauce. To start, you'll need 60 grams or a quarter cup of butter and 260 grams or 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Cream this together in a mixing bowl. Then to this, I'm going to add in 2 large eggs. Mix this together until well combined. For the dry ingredients, I'm whisking together 275 grams or 1.5 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 100 milliliters of buttermilk. You can buy it or make your own. I actually have a video on how to make fresh butter and buttermilk at home, which I'll link to below. Alternate additions of the dry ingredients and buttermilk to the batter. Keep the mixer going and add in 4 super ripe bananas, and 100 grams or half a cup of roughly chopped pecans. Grease and line a loaf tin with parchment and pour in your batter. Bake your banana bread at 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Baking time always varies depending on your oven, so make sure you check the banana bread periodically after the 30-minute mark to see how it's doing. Once it's firm to the touch and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, it's done. While that's cooling, I'm going to make the caramel toffee sauce. This is actually really easy. All you have to do is get 260 grams or a 1 packed cup of dark brown sugar into a pot, along with 250 milliliters or 1 cup of whipping or heavy cream, 113 grams or half a cup of butter, and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup or corn syrup. Heat this for about 5 to 10 minutes until all the sugar has completely dissolved and the sauce is bubbling and a rich golden brown. Take this off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then transfer it to a shallow container and cool in the fridge. Once cooled, transfer to a jar and store or serve. Now I'm just going to slice up my banana bread and drizzle on some of the caramel toffee sauce. Then I'm going to top this with some pecans and some dried banana chips. I don't want to say this is the best, most perfect banana bread you'll ever eat, but if such a thing did exist, this would come pretty close. It's moist but not too dense, rich, warming, and an overall great combination of the flavors of pecan, caramel, and banana. If you try this recipe out, I'd love to see your photos, so feel free to tag me or send me a message on Instagram at chefstudio_. I try to respond to most messages, and if you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing.